Have you ever looked at a perfectly good piece of clothing and thought, this shirt is one pair of scissors away from a completely different life? Today we're diving into some seriously creative upcycled clothing ideas that I found while scrolling Pinterest. And some of these transformations are so clever they might make your old clothes wonder why they ever settled for being regular clothes in the first place. From simple makeovers to designs that look like they came straight out of a boutique. These ideas prove that a little creativity can turn forgotten fashion into something fabulous. If you'd like to take a closer look at the inspiration, I've linked the Pinterest board in the description below so you can review the ideas and patterns for yourself. As we go through them, let me know which one is your favorite in the comments. And once we reach 100 votes, I just might recreate the winning project in my own style right here on MIZ Angela Sawyer. Now grab your coffee, your seam ripper, and maybe a rescue shirt that's been hiding in the back of your closet, because these upcycled clothing ideas are too good not to see. Now, I have a theory, and I call it the sewing fairy godmother theory. Somewhere out there is a fairy godmother who doesn't wave a wand. She waves a rotary cutter, and instead of turning pumpkins into carriages, she turns forgotten clothes into fabulous creations. Every idea in this video was found while scrolling Pinterest. And looking through these projects made me think about all the clothing that gets pushed to the back of the closet because it has a stain, a dated style, or a fit that just isn't quite right anymore. Most people see an old shirt and think it's finished, but a sewing fairy godmother sees a future handbag, apron, pillow cover, patchwork masterpiece, or a completely transformed fashion statement. That's what makes upcycling so much fun. You're not just making something new, you're giving an item a second chapter. I can almost imagine a neglected button-up shirt sitting in the closet saying, "Please don't turn me into a dust rag, I have dreams." Then the sewing fairy godmother swoops in and says, "Congratulations, you're being promoted." Suddenly that shirt has a brand new purpose and a lot more personality than it had before. As we go through these ideas, let me know which transformation you like best, because I love seeing which projects catch everyone's attention. If you're enjoying creative sewing inspiration like this, be sure to like this video and subscribe to MIZ Angela Sawyer for more sewing, crafting, upcycling, and creative project ideas. Every like helps more people discover the channel, and every subscription helps our sewing community continue to grow. The really amazing thing about upcycling is that it teaches us to see possibilities where other people see leftovers. And that skill doesn't just help with sewing, It helps with creativity in general. A pair of worn jeans might become a bag. A faded dress might become home decor. And a forgotten tablecloth might secretly be waiting for its big moment on center stage. The more I sew, the more convinced I become that creativity is a lot like magic. Except instead of casting spells, we're measuring fabric, hunting for matching thread, and wondering how 12 inches of fabric somehow disappeared between the cutting table and the sewing machine. These Pinterest-inspired ideas are a great reminder that beautiful projects don't always start with brand new materials. Sometimes they start with something that looks ordinary until imagination gets involved. That's one reason I enjoy sharing these collections of ideas. They encourage us to look at what we already have and ask, what else could this become? If you'd like to learn more techniques, be sure to check out the tutorial videos linked in the description, along with some of my other sewing and upcycling videos that can help spark even more ideas. I've also linked helpful products below, including sewing machines, sewing machine needles, and other sewing supplies that many viewers find useful when working on projects like these. Whether you're brand new to upcycling or you've been sewing for years, there's always another creative adventure waiting in a pile of forgotten fabric. Maybe that's the real sewing fairy godmother theory. The magic was never in the clothes at all. The magic was in the person willing to imagine something better for them. And if that person happens to have a seam ripper, a sewing machine, and a stubborn determination not to waste perfectly good fabric, even better. Don't forget to tell me your favorite idea from today's list. And when you're finished here, check out one of my other sewing videos linked on the screen, because there's plenty more inspiration waiting for you there. Thanks for spending part of your day with me, and I'll see you in the next video. After all, every masterpiece starts with someone looking at an ordinary item and refusing to believe its story is over. And that kind of thinking can turn almost anything into something special.